Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable back tap gesture on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to accessibility. From here, just tap on touch. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of back tap. Just tap on it. And from here, you can set your back tap gesture. For an example, if I select double tap, now from here, just select an action for double tap. Now, if I select screenshot, now if I double tap the back of my iPhone, it will capture a screenshot. And from here, you can set any other action. For an example, if you select home, and if you double tap the back of your iPhone, it will go to the home screen. Also, you have the option of triple tap. Now, if you go back, you will find the option of triple tap. Now from here, just select a shortcut for triple tap. For example, if I select camera, now if I triple tap the back of my iPhone, it will launch the camera app. And this is how you can enable the back tap gesture on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.